Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Justine. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell at the bottom to be notified of all my new videos. I love to do foundation reviews, especially I have about normal to combination oily type of skin, but now in the summer it's a little bit more oily. So if you are interested in reviews like that, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am testing out a foundation from Boots number 7, and this is not a new product, but it is new to me. This is the Beautifully Matte Foundation for normal and oily skin. The coverage says that it's a medium to full coverage, and it's an all-day velvet matte perfection. It's oil-free, and it has broad spectrum SPF 15. So the bottle looks like this. It says, achieve the appearance of flawless matte skin with a velvety soft finish and no powdery flatness. Oil-free, this foundation, containing fine, oil-absorbing powders, minimizes the need for touch-ups by controlling shine all day. Developed to glide effortlessly onto the skin and instantly transform the appearance of your complexion. Blemishes and flaws are concealed and pores appear minimized, leaving you with even-toned skin that looks perfectly smooth and velvety soft all day. And I do find that to be true. I've never tried this foundation. I just applied it. As I was applying it, it does dry down pretty quickly, so you do want to kind of work in sections on your face. I did use a beauty blender with this today, and I think it applied very beautifully. This color is a good color match for me. It is warm ivory. I'm going to show you guys pictures in natural sunlight right here, just so you can see how it looks in the daytime, since I am more in like a studio light right now. And this foundation was about $12.99 with a $3 coupon at Walgreens. So they did have a sale recently on Boots products. I am a fan of Boots number 7. I have tried some of their face serums, some of their primers, I believe, some of their lip products that they don't make anymore. It was like a lip lotion that was really awesome. But I haven't tried any of their foundations, and I've heard that their foundations are really good. This one that I'm wearing today reminds me of one of my absolute favorite Holy Grail foundations, which is Estee Lauder Double Wear. Both of them have the same texture on the skin, both of them apply the same, they have the same kind of coverage, same kind of just overall look to the skin. I did wear Estee Lauder's Double Wear on my wedding day, so that's how much I love that foundation. It photographs beautifully, but this one I think is a really good comparison to it. I don't have Estee Lauder's right now. I haven't picked that up in a while since I've been testing out so many other foundations, but I feel like this one compares to it so much. We'll have to see, only time will tell. We'll have to come back at the end of the day, see how this wore on my skin. I did put on my normal primer today, which is NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer, because I didn't want anything else to kind of affect the way that this would perform on a day-to-day basis for me. But so far, I really, really, really like it. I think it looks really good. It looks very beautiful. I think that it blended really well. That's only my first impression at the moment. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and wear it all day. I'll check in with you guys in a couple of hours if anything has changed. By the way, if you guys are wondering what's on my lips today, I did a combination of Ciate's Pinup with Dose of Colors in Stone. So I actually mixed these two to make this color, and I think it's so beautiful. It goes well with my eye look. I used Huda Beauty today. It's the Mauve Obsessions with this combo. So I'm loving it today. So I will see you guys in a little while. Hey guys, it's the end of the night, and I wanted to check in with you and show you how the foundation is doing. And it's been about 12 hours that I've had this foundation on. And I have to say that I am very, very impressed with the formula of this foundation. It feels very, very comfortable on my skin. It didn't dry out my skin, and I feel like the oils on my skin are barely peeking through right now. I can kind of see them, but it's very graceful. Like, I wouldn't mind having my face like this. It just looks very healthy and vibrant and more of like that dewy type of look that some people go for in a foundation to begin with. And I feel like my blush and bronzer and everything is still there. It's still visible a little bit. And the coverage on this foundation is really good. It is just like the box says. It is a velvet, like soft type of finish. It dries very quickly when you put it on, so you do have to work really quickly in different sections of your face. So I'm very impressed with this foundation. I'm going to keep wearing it. I'm going to try different primers with it. And I didn't use a setting spray today either, and it lasted fantastically. So I'm very, very pleased with this foundation, and I do recommend it if you have combination to oily skin like I do. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and we will see you in the next video.